Shalom. I want to give all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushua. And I want to give double honors to the apostles, the great millstone of Yasharallah. And I want to give all salutations to the brothers of GMS. You know, these Bible prophecies is coming true. Yeah, the birds are dying. The birds are falling out the sky on the news, CNN, worldwide media, YouTube. You know, these scoffers, they got to deal with the heavenly doctrine. The scriptures are living water. This is Isaiah 34:16. Seek ye out of the book of the Yahweh and read. No one of these shall fail. None shall want her mate. For my mouth is have commanded, and his spirit is haven't gathered them. So basically what the scriptures are saying, all these prophecies that's coming out the Bible is coming true. You see the birds flying. You see the world being polluted. You see it on the news. You see it on YouTube. It's just another precept. This is Zephaniah 1:3. I will consume man and beast. I will consume the fawns of the heavens and the fish of the sea and the stumbling blocks with the wicked I will cut off man from off the land, says the Lord. And check this out, another thing, the consuming is destroying and devouring. That's what that consuming is in Zephaniah 1:3. And the flaws is the birds.
We have another bizarre incident here where hundreds of birds have suddenly fell from the sky, this time in Mexico. And right out the gate, the official version is that this is a mysterious disease. And maybe they didn't think this through all the way, too thoroughly, or anything like that, but people are questioning their excuse that they're giving right out the gate. They're saying, okay, if it was a disease, how come all of them fell at the exact same time, at the exact same spot? This doesn't correlate with a disease, so to speak, like they're trying to say. They think that there's something else in the atmosphere or the air that did it, that knocked them out of the sky. Now, we've talked about frequency. We've talked about being thrown off, running through these clouds and pockets of chemicals and things like that, and other mysterious things that have dropped birds out of the sky. And we've seen where they've literally lost sense of where they're at and ran into buildings and trucks and everything en masse. And other times, they've seemingly just started dropping out of the sky for no reason, all over the place. And it almost seems like every single time that happens, they want to try to blame a disease. And I've got to say, a lot of the times when we've seen updates as to what it could have been in the past, that whole initial theory has gone out the window, and it has remained a mystery. So they're saying that within 30 seconds this happened, and they're not buying the excuse of a mystery disease all of a sudden striking them at the same moment. But I wanted to make note of it. If we see anything similar, I will update. If you guys see anything out there similar to this, or anything that you want me to report on, let me know. Dabu7yahoo.com. Much love, y'all.